Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save game progress on Township. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the settings icon in the left hand side of your screen. Here you can see Save Progress option, tap on it. Now in order to save your game progress, you'll either have to sign in with your Google account or Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to use my Facebook account, so I'll tap on Sign in with Facebook option. Now tap on the Continue button. And that is how you can save game progress on Township. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.